Hello guys, Assalamu alaikum. Today in this video we will discuss the very essential topic regarding English grammar as well as English language is articles. Basically articles may be considered as adjectives. As adjectives are used with the nouns and pronouns. Likewise these articles are used with nouns. Basically both are the types of articles. As you know that articles are considered as adjectives. Now how can we differentiate between these two terms, definite article and indefinite articles? So today let's start the first essential term, definite article. There are two questions related to this topic: why we use definite article and where should we use definite article. Guys, when we are going to specify or particularize or specialize different objects, we are needed to use definite article. And where should we use these definite articles? There are some rules regarding this definite article which we have to follow to make its correct usage. Now according to the correct usage of definite articles, there are some rules which we have to follow to make the correct usage of definite article. The first rule is definite article will be used with the names of holy books. Either they belong to Muslims or non-Muslims. When they are repeated, when they are used in different sentences, definite article will be used with them. For suppose here in this sentence, we have mentioned the name of a holy book, such as I recite the Holy Quran. Here capitalized, here bold word Holy Quran is added with the definite article. Why? Because according to the rule number 1, definite article should be used with the names of holy books. Either they belong to Muslims or non-Muslims. If we say I have read this incident from the Bible, we should not say from a Bible, but here in this regard we have to say from the Bible, from the Holy Quran, from the Gita. So according to rule number 1, when definite article will be used with the names of holy books, whether they belong to Muslims or non-Muslims. And the second rule, with the names of famous newspapers and magazines. When the names of famous newspapers as well as magazines, if they are used in different sentences, they will be used with them. For suppose in this sentence, he almost reads the Dawn newspaper. Here in this sentence, you will notice that the word Dawn is added with the definite article the. Why? Because here we have mentioned the name of famous newspaper. So according to rule number 2, if famous newspapers or famous magazines are used, the article will be used with them. Now according to third rule, with the will be used with the names of rivers, seas and oceans. When the names of rivers, names of seas as well as names of oceans, if they are repeated in different sentences, they will be used with them. How? For suppose in this sentence you will notice that river Indus is added with the definite article the. For suppose I live beside the river Indus. Here river Indus is the name of a river. That's why the article will be permitted, the article will be allowed to use with it. In the second rule, they will be used with the names of ranges of mountain. Here there is an essential point which you have to remember, that the can't be used with the single mountain. The is only be allowed to use with the ranges of mountain. Means the can't be used with Mount Everest, the can't be used with the K2. But here we have to say they will be used with the ranges of mountain. For suppose in this sentence we have defined that he climbed on the Himalaya. Here Himalaya is not the name of a single mountain, but Himalaya we consider it ranges of mountain. So when we are going to use different names of ranges of mountain, then we require definite article. In the next rule, before the superlative degree of an adjective, Guys, the can't be used with the positive degree as well as comparative degree. But when you are going to use superlative degree in different sentences, the will be used with them. For suppose we should not say that he is the tall boy. He is the tall boy. We should not say. But here we can say that he is the tallest. Here tallest, you know that tallest is a superlative degree. So when superlative degree of an adjective is used in different sentences, the will be used with those objects which are unique in nature. For suppose sun, moon, earth, sky, stars. When they are used in different sentences, guys, the will be used with them. We should not say that earth, a sun. Here we have to say the sun rises in the east. Okay, the earth is oval shaped, as you see in this example that earth carries a definite article. So here the will be used with those objects which are unique in nature. For suppose the will be used with those objects which are idiomatically expressed. Guys, the can't be used. Guys, the can't be used with the proper nouns. But when these proper nouns are idiomatically expressed in different sentences, the will be used with them. For suppose here we have taken two objects, two proper nouns, Superlative and Shakespeare, and we have made comparison between these two proper nouns. Here we have made comparison between two proper nouns. So here we have to say Superlative is the Shakespeare option, because here in this sentence we consider Superlative as the Shakespeare option, because both are the personalities, both are the great celebrities regarding literature. That's why here we have made comparison between these two proper nouns. In the next sentence you will notice that we have also taken two proper nouns, Kashmir and Switzerland, and here we have made idiomatic expression between Kashmir and Switzerland. That's why when we are going to make idiomatic expression between these two proper nouns, the is required. And the next rule, the will be used with the word Punjab. Guys, it should be remembered that the can't be used with the names of cities, with the names of countries, with the names of provinces, but only the will be used with the word Punjab. Why? Because the word Punjab is a meaningful word. It is a compound word. It is a composition of 5 rivers. And in above rule we have noticed that the will be used with the names of rivers. That's why the word Punjab is a compound word, is a composition of 5 rivers. That's why when the word Punjab is used in different sentences, in the next rule, they will be used with those common nouns which indicate their class and their family. For suppose if we say the dog is a faithful animal, here we have used definite article with the common noun dog. Why? Because here dog represents its family, represents its class. That's why such common nouns, when they represent their class or families, the is required. For suppose if we say the cow is domestic animal, the horse is a noble animal. Even horse is a common noun, but here we have added definite article with it. Why? Because here horse points its family, its class. That's why such common nouns, when they represent their class or family, the is required. In the next rule, the will be used with ordinal numbers. Guys, there are two types of numbers, cardinal and ordinal. 1, 2, 3, 4 are considered as cardinal numbers, whereas first, second, third are considered as ordinal numbers. When such words, suppose first, second, third, fourth, when they are used in different sentences, the is required. Here in this sentence, you will notice that the is used with the word first, because here word first is considered as ordinal number. So here we have to say I got the first position. We should not say that I got a first position. I have defined that the can't be used with the names of cities, countries, provinces, but here the is required with the names of countries. For suppose which are in a compound form are islands. For suppose here you will notice that these bold words Maldives, USA, UK, UAE. Maldives is an island, whereas USA, UK and UAE are in a compound form. These are not a single countries, but they are group of countries. That's why they are group of different states. That's why when they are used in different sentences, the is required. Next rule, the will be used with those common nouns which are mentioned before. For suppose here, how common nouns are added with the definite article, because such as I went into a jungle. Here jungle carries an indefinite article, and saw a lion. Here lion and saw a lion. Here lion also added with an indefinite article. I pluck a flower. Here flower is a common noun and it is used with an indefinite article. But when these common nouns flower, so when these common nouns flower, lion and jungle, when they are repeated, when they are used in different sentences, in upcoming sentences the is required, and give it to the lion. Here lion is repeated, so that's why in this regard we have added a definite article with the word lion, and came out of a jungle, came out of the jungle, because here jungle which is used in earlier sentence, now we have repeated it in a next sentence. So the will be used with those common nouns which are mentioned before. Thank you for watching this video.